So I thought I'd do a quick video about the points I needed to start my first layout, and as you can see, it's very well packed. The last time I bought one of these Peco points, it was mainly cardboard packaging, but as you can see now, it's mainly plastic. It also came with a paper instruction sheet that doesn't seem to be included with it, but rather on the cardboard backing piece. I chose the small radius as there's limited space on the baseboard, and this was what fitted in and gave me a certain amount of space for the sidings. Again, I just wanted to set up the track and see what it looked like in relation to the retaining wall behind it and also the buildings, and to give me an idea of the space for wagons, or the number of wagons I would have for it. And finally, a couple of Peco Parkside wagons that I'm going to be building for it. And I've got a box van and a mineral wagon that I need to start building, but that will come in later videos.